Welcome, traders. Let's analyze Riot stock. This is Bitcoin miner company, quite efficient one in Bitcoin mining processes, but still not doing very great based on the technical analysis. So let's take a look at the monthly chart. As you can see, the recent lows for Riot was in December 2022, where Riot stock was traded near $3.50. And from that moment, the highs were achieved in October 2025, and the price was high as $23.70. So quite a big increase for such a move during last few years. However, currently, Riot stock is traded near $14.30. This is just near our weekly level that's located in near the $14 mark, and we should expect that if Bitcoin price going down and the stock market itself will continue the correction during February, March, this $14 level, weekly level, will be definitely broken and price will go lower. So where should we expect and what shall we see? As you remember, in April 2025, Riot stock price came as low as $7. I believe there is a huge chance for us to see that price will break definitely $11 level. This is a big daily level for us, and I'm sure that in near future we shall see such price for Riot stock if Bitcoin and the stock market itself go into the correction. Let me show you the weekly TPO for the Riot stock. And as you can see, for this week, the point of control was near $15 mark, a little bit lower. And currently we are traded, as I told you, at $14.24. The point control for the last week was located near just below $14 mark, our big weekly level. And even last week, once Bitcoin dropped to 60,000 level, Riot stock was lower than $12. So what shall we expect? There are two main scenarios. And also those scenarios applies for the stock market. So currently, if tomorrow CPI data will be not so great, the continuation of the downtrend that we saw last week, and we saw the bounce this week, right? But doesn't show us real strength that bulls are in control. So if the CPI data is actually bad, I believe the stock market will continue the downtrend, and it's important for us to not break 6,600 level, because once we break it, I believe that we have a high chances to see 6,300 level for the SPX. So if that not happen and we have really good data for the CPI and we have the relief and the stock market will continue to go and reach new all-time highs, so we shall expect for the Riot stock and for the Bitcoin, of course, Bitcoin will probably follow the stock market and go higher. So the naked POC that we have for the Riot stock on the weekly basis is located at the $16.75. So this is the good target as I'm seeing on the weekly trades. So those should take at least few days from now, right, in order for us to reach this level. So this is the level that you should remember if you are bullish for this stock and for the general Bitcoin and stock market trend for the near future. Let me show you the daily TPO, and you can see that on the daily basis At the beginning of February, February 3rd to be exactly, we have the naked POC located at $15.55. This can be the local take profits target for you guys, but also this confirms with the 1650 that I told you on the weekly, but on the daily, on the at the end of January, January 29th, the naked PEC we have at the level near $17, so 1694 to be more precise. So please keep in mind that once the stock market going higher, Bitcoin going higher, those are the targets that should be achieved by Riot stock in the near future. Unless the CPI data is bad and the stock market is going down, you should please remember that we will definitely break $14 level, and most probably we will come even lower than $12.80. This is a big daily level that we have, and most probably we will come and try to test $11 mark for the Riot stock. So keep that in mind. Please be careful with your trades. I would recommend, if you are not in the position, just wait and see what's happening on Friday. If the data confirms bad results for the CPI and the stock market itself continues the downtrend, I believe the same will happen to the Bitcoin. So most probably you should try to short or to buy some puts for the Riot stock. But if the data is good, I believe this will make the big squeeze for us again, as was shown few times that let's say like elevators down and stairs up. But at this current volatility, those rules do not apply, because once we are fallen down, for example, I believe that was on Thursday or Friday last week, on the Globex we felt 100 points, and those 100 points were regained during the Globex, during the Asia and Europe trading time. So in few hours, price for SPX went down 100 points and regains it as well, even before the regular trading hours started in USA. So please keep in mind that volatility right now is really high. VIX currently is a little bit below the 20 mark, so still high, and you should expect those fast moves to happen in any direction during trading days. So please be careful with your trades. Thank you for watching it and have a wonderful evening.